Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert a hyperlink into your texts on LibreOffice Writer in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to the document, highlight the given text or part of the text you would like to insert a hyperlink to. And what you want to do next is navigate to the hyperlink feature here at the top. Here next to the footnote. You may also use the shortcut Control K. And after that, you may, for example, a link to a document here on Libreoffice Writer internally. Or you may go, for example, with an external URL here. You can edit the text here again and place the link below. Just enter it here, the URL, and click into apply. Now, of course, I didn't insert any URL, so you don't see any hyperlink here, but that's how it works technically. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.